Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Node.js in a Windows 10 operating system. So, let's begin. Now to install Node.js, you need to first download Node.js. So for that, just simply go to your favorite browser and in here just simply type Node.js download, then enter. And then you'll be seeing this nodejs.org is basically our first search result. So now just simply click on this download node.js. This will automatically going to open official website of Node.js. If you just scroll down a bit, you'll be seeing this Windows installer, Mac installer and source code. So if you are using Mac OS or Linux or any other OS, then you need to just simply proceed with that link. But in this video I am going to show you how to install Node.js for Windows. So for that just simply click on this Windows installer. This will automatically going to start downloading Node.js. I have already downloaded it, so just simply cancel it. And if I just minimize my browser and if I just simply go to my download directory, you can clearly see this Node version 14.16.1 has been rightly downloaded over here, and the file size is only 28.8 MB. To install, just simply double click on it, and then if you just simply minimize my download directory, you can clearly see this Node.js setup wizard has been rightly open. So just simply click on next for installation, and now you need to first accept this license agreement. So for that just simply check this and then just simply click on next. This is going to be your installation destination, that is the C program files in Node.js. If you want to change your installation destination, then you need to simply click on change and you can change that. But in this video I am going to keep this all default, and then just simply click on next. And now under this custom setup is telling that this Node.js runtime going to be installed, and it will require this 53 MB of your C drive. For this npm package you need to have at least 30 MB, and for online documentation you need to have just 1 KB, and to add path, this is very important. So this will automatically going to add your path inside your environment variable. So just keep this all default and then just simply click on next. Now under these tools of native modules, it's depending upon you whether you like to check this. So this will automatically going to install this chocolatey. In this video I don't want to install this chocolatey, so just simply uncheck that and then just simply click on next. Now it's telling that it's ready to install Node.js, so just simply click on install for installation. This will automatically going to start installation. It's just 28 MB file, so it's going to be installed at a very rapid pace. And now as you can clearly see that this Node.js setup wizard has been rightly installed. So just simply click on finish. Now to check whether Node has been rightly installed or not, so just simply go to your command prompt and in here just simply type node-v, then enter, and then you can clearly see this version 14.16 has been rightly installed. So your Node version is 14.16 and it is the latest version. So in this way you install Node Windows 10 operating system. I have this website called geeky.com. So in here you'll be seeing various tutorials along with some blogs that I have written. So do check our website geeky.com. That's all for this video, friends. I have rightly shown you how to install Node Windows 10 operating system. In my next video I am going to show you how to create a simple Angular project in your Windows 10 operating system. So for that, do subscribe our channel and stay tuned. That's all for this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give it a like and also do share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.